In this video, I will provide a step-by-step explanation of how you can sign up for SproutGigs. To begin, you will need to visit SproutGigs.com and locate the Sign Up option in the top right-hand corner. Alternatively, you can click on the Get Started link provided. This will redirect you to a designated page. On the Sign Up page, the first step is to enter your real name, such as Bradley Harrison. Next, provide your email address and create a password. It is important to confirm the password by retyping it. Additionally, you have the option to enter a nickname, for instance, Knowledge Base IT 0123. You should then select your country, such as the United Kingdom. If your intention is to work on SproutGigs and start earning money through microtasks, choose the option I'm a worker. It is possible to change this to I'm an employer at a later stage if desired. Finally, you should agree to the terms of service and opt to receive offers and emails from SproutGigs, although this step is not mandatory. Once these steps are completed, click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, it is recommended to save your password securely. Following that, you will receive an email requesting confirmation. Access the login page and log in. In case you encounter any issues, it is likely due to the need for email confirmation. To confirm your email, simply click on the link provided in the email or copy the link into your browser and press Enter. Once the verification process is complete, you should be able to log in successfully. Upon logging in, you will be directed to a quick guide where you have the option to switch your role and contact support, among other features. Now you are inside the SproutGigs platform. By navigating to the microjob section, you will find various tasks that you can complete to start earning money. And that concludes the process of signing up for SproutGigs and accessing job opportunities through the microjobs section.